Hello and welcome to WKP. Today we're going to be tracking Hurricane Elsa, which now has winds of 75 miles per hour. And as Elsa is moving on into a landfall with Florida, I do believe we could see Elsa strengthen up into 85 mile an hour wind speed. But we're going to have to see how that pans out. As you can see right now, Elsa is looking a quite bit more compact than she was earlier coming off of Cuba this morning. So we are seeing Elsa strengthen. Let's go into the forecast for Elsa. Let's start off with the storm surge because there will be some storm surge. We could have 3 to 5 feet where landfall will occur. Other areas down near Bonita Beach could get around 2 to 4 feet, and Flamingo could receive 1 to 3 feet of storm surge. And we're also going to be seeing some storm surge up in Georgia and South Carolina. We could be seeing around a 1 to 2 feet storm surge, which isn't that bad, but we do need to keep an eye on the area that will be seeing some high storm surge. We're also going to have to keep an eye on this storm because we're going to be seeing that heavier rain moving on in, well, not extremely heavy rain, but we're going to be seeing to 2 to 4 inches, so we could be seeing some localized flash flooding. Here's our flash flooding map. As you can see, down near Tampa Bay, we have a moderate chance of flash flooding, and also up in Savannah and Charleston, we have a moderate chance of flash flooding, so we do need to keep an eye on that because those areas, especially in Charleston, do frequently flood. Here's the wind speed probabilities. As you can see, most of North Florida has a high chance of receiving tropical storm force winds. We could even be seeing tropical storm force winds up near Charleston. And because this storm has strengthened into a hurricane again, I do believe we'll be seeing those tropical storm winds start moving on inland. So again, I would also expect the strongest of the winds to be on the left side of the storm over here, because that is the dirty side of the storm, usually always the strongest part of the storm. Now, because the conditions seem to be very well because the storm has started to strengthen again, I do believe we may see it start to, we may see it further strengthen since it's already strengthening pretty fast. So I believe before landfall, we could be seeing wind speeds of 80 to 85 miles per hour, if not higher. And the reason I believe this is because it's strengthened pretty fast since it's come off of Cuba. And as you can see, the storm has become more compact since its landfall on Cuba. And also, this storm's pressure is dropping quite fast too since it has come off of Cuba. So what we're seeing is a trend that this is going up in strength. So I do believe we will see that trend keep going on until landfall tomorrow morning through tomorrow in Florida. Let's take a look at the cone of uncertainty. As you can see, we're going to be seeing a landfall in Florida where there is a hurricane warning, tropical storm warnings for the rest of the coast of Florida. There is also a tropical storm watch and warnings in Georgia and South Carolina. We're going to be seeing this stay a tropical storm and then weaken into a depression over South Carolina and moving out over the Atlantic back up and possibly going into Newfoundland as a tropical storm. So we do need to keep an eye on this storm. We're going to be seeing this sadly strengthen some more. So if you live where this storm is coming on shore, be ready for a mid-strength Category 1 hurricane. I'll be doing another update on this tomorrow morning. Thank you for watching. This has been WKP.